Welcome to another Sector 1 security tutorial. This is how you do playback on the LTS Connect app. It's very easy. So let's just open up the app. It's right here. And let's go to our cameras and hit the play button. And so now we're showing a live view of the cameras. Let's go to this camera, double tap. And let's do playback on this one, so we'll just hit the playback, which is right here. And as you can see, the timeline is on the bottom here. It's showing that we're on today's videos. You can move the timeline forward with your finger. Just move it forward and backward. You can go to any time during that day. If you want to start it on a different time, you'll just click here and you can choose whatever time you want to start on that day and hit the check mark right here. And as you can see, it'll take you to that time. If you want to change the day, you just click today right there and it'll show you the days of the month. You can go back a month, forward a month, but the days that you'll be able to do playback are only going to be on the they're going to be marked by a little green dot next to the number on that day. So let's just go to the 5th right here and hit OK. So as you can see, we're on 9/5 and it started at midnight. If we want to change the time, we can start it at a different time. Let's do 4 a.m. with the check mark. So now it started at 4 a.m. We can move forward from there. You can also hit the little 10-second forward right here. Every time you hit it, it'll jump forward 10 seconds. And also you can go backwards 10 seconds every time you hit that. Let's say there's something on the screen that you want to save and take a snapshot. You just hit this little camera. It takes a picture and it saves it in your album. The album is located inside the app, and I'll show you that next. But you can also record a clip if you want to. And so you hit this little circle right here next to the camera. And as you can see, it'll start recording. And when you're ready to stop the recording, you just hit the little circle again. And it also saves that to your album. So let's go back. And let's go to applications. And let's go to personal album. And here's your picture that we took. It allows you to share down here, so you just hit share and it lets you choose the way you want to share it. And if you want to delete the picture, just click delete, hit OK, and it'll delete that picture. Now it's showing the video that I had, the little clip I recorded. So click on that. You can preview the video right there by hitting play. And if you hit share, you can share that video as well. And we'll go ahead and just delete it for now. And then let's go back to home. And now we're back in the live view section, and all you have to do is just hit play and you're back to live view. Double tap your cameras to see them. That's it for today's tutorial. Have a good one. See you next time.